Hey, are you diabetic? If you are diabetic, then these four factors can help you to reduce your blood sugar level. The first one is food. Yes, you must have to follow a certain diet chart by consulting your doctor and dietitian because some food have high glycemic index and you have to avoid these foods, and you also have to avoid pure carbohydrate, that is which food gives us only calories and glucose but no other nutritional values such as sugar, jaggery, etc. The second factor is fat. You must have to reduce your body fat in order to maintain a healthy life because excess body fat or excess weight gain may cause increase in blood sugar level. So you have to be cautious about your body fat. The third one is fear. Some patients, when they came to know that he or she has diabetes, they become afraid and panic about it. There is nothing to be panic about. Lifestyle regulation can help you a lot, and dietary regulation or dietary modification can also help you a lot. So don't fear. And the fourth one is fatigue. You must have to avoid fatigue. You must have to do some exercises. You must have to do some regular works which will help you a lot. Detailed video is coming soon. If you want a detailed video, please like, share and subscribe and leave a comment that you want a detailed video. Thanks for watching.